We're told now that these triangles, this one here and this one here, they're similar. And what similar triangles mean, it means to be similar triangles that this sides are proportional. So as this side is to this side, as this side is to this side, as this side is to this side. It's as if we had done this. Maybe this is in some kind of a program like Photoshop, and we grab onto it here, and we pull out, and we expand the whole thing, right? The whole thing gets bigger. And we pull it out to here. So the 22 would become the 33. The 26 would go to the 39, and the 54 is going to go to H. What we want to do is we want to find out what H is. Now there are different proportions that we can set up. I could do 54 is to H as the left side is to the left side. That's just one of them. Now I'm just going to pick one and do that. So I'm going to say this, that this is number 16. So I'm going to say that this H is to 54, right? I'm going to go this way. This side is to this side. That base is to the base, as the left side is to the left side. So as to the left side is to the left side. Now, proportion. Let's use our method of cross multiply. So when we do that, we're going to get 22H equals 33 times 54. Get 22H, and with my calculator here I can do that. 33 times 54, I got 1782. And then I'm going to divide by that 22. So H will be 1782 divided by 22. Okay, let me divide that by 22, and I'll get 81. So there we go. H is 81. Now, while we're doing this, I could have set it up like this. Here's what we did. We did this base is to that base as the left side is to the left side. But I could have done it this way. Say the base is to the left side or the base is to the right side. Let's do this. The base is to the right side as the base is to the right side. And let's just see what happens. So now I'm going to try it like this. Okay, I'm going to try it like this. The base is to the right side. Okay, I'm doing it this way. This base is to that right side as this base is to that right side, as that base, 54, is to that right side, 26. Cross multiply, we'll get 26H equals 39 times 54. We'll get 26H equals, now 39 times 54 is 2106. And if you divide 2106 by that 26, so I'm going to divide that by 26. 26. I got 81. What do you know? Same number we got here. What have we got going on at 17? Well, we're given that these two triangles are similar. So I know that the sides are proportional. This left side is to that left side, as the right side is to the right side, as the base is to the base. Now what we're trying to do here is to find both x and y. So in number 17, let's get a proportion that has just one variable in it each time. So how about if we do this? How about if I do, okay, let's go with maybe x first. So I could do this. I know that this base is to that base, so x is to 6 as, now I don't want to use y, I don't want to use left to left because I don't know that. I don't want two variables. So x is to 6 as 7 is to 28, right? X is to 6, base is to base, as right side is to right side. So let's write that. So I'll have x is to 6 as 7 is to 28. Now if you cross multiply, you get 28x equals 6 times 7. 28x equals 42. Divide, x is 42 divided by 28. All right, I can do that one. I got 1.5. So we've got x. Now, you know what I did here is I did it this way. I did this is to this. What if you were thinking 6 is to x as this is to this? What if you just wrote this in a different way? What if you wrote this? I'll write it here. What if you wrote, okay, 6 is to x. So now you write this. 6 is to x as, okay, so I'm doing it this way. The left triangle base is to the right triangle base as the left triangle right side is to the right triangle right side. So this is going to be as 28 is to 7. So if you cross multiply, now you get 7 times 6 is 28x. And if you look at it, it's the same thing we had right up here. So it doesn't matter which way you write it, you get the same thing in the end. Now we also want to get y. So I'm going to say this. Y is to that left side. The small y is to the big 26. The small side is to the big side. So let's write that. So y is to 26 as, now I don't want to use the bases here because I don't want an x. I don't want two variables. So I've got this side, the left side is to the left side, is to the right side to the right side. So as what? 7 is to 28. So cross multiply, we'll get 28y equals 7 times 26, and 7 times 26 is 182. 28y is 182. We'll divide by 28, and if I divide that by 28, I'm left with 6.5. And there we go.